Hello everyone, today we are making a quick, tasty and high protein chickpea sandwich. Let's cook together.
Let's mash the chickpeas. Smashing is so boring. Hey, leave some chickpeas for the sandwich. Oops, I got too excited.
Not powder girls, just smash them.
I'm adding garam masala. Now I'm adding salt, red chili powder, turmeric. Then add chopped green chili and coriander. And chopped onions. Excuse me, I'm mixing. Why are you still smashing? I am giving it extra love. Now I'm adding ginger garlic paste. Why is this lemon so hard? Come on, lemon, please help us. Yay, I did it. Perfect, now let's mix everything together. I'm helping with the gram flour. Thank you, now the filling will hold together much better.
Hey girls, make sure every bite gets all the flavors.
I'm roasting the filling until the raw taste disappears. I wish we had smell or vision.
Maybe one day. Let it cool for a few minutes before spreading.
I'm spreading mayonnaise. And I'm spreading the chickpea filling. Don't make your sandwich taller than mine. Challenge accepted. How many sandwiches are we making today?
Enough for everyone if someone doesn't eat too.
I think she's talking about you. Maybe, or maybe all of us. Mom, how much mayonnaise should I use?
Just a thin layer. We still want to taste the chickpeas.
Now I'm spreading butter on the bread. Let's toast both sides until they're golden and crispy. Now I'm spreading butter on the other side of the bread. Crunchy outside and soft and spicy inside.
This recipe perfect for breakfast, lunch or evening snacks.
If you enjoy this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next recipe.